Assalamu alaikum. Hello there.
Hi.
We have Maria with us today. She loves math as much as you and I do. Today we are doing time to the quarter hour. We are learning a new fact about time. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Please go get your math book, your notebook, your stationaries, and get ready to start. By the end of this lesson, you're gonna be able to say, I can use a clock to tell time to the quarter hour. But before we start with the time, let's do mental math. The question is, how many days are there in 2 weeks? Remember that last week we did a question of how many days are there in 1 week. And pause this video, do your answer, and then continue the video to check if your answer was right. Okay, so let's get Maria's help. Maria, do you know how many days are there in 1 week?
Yes, 7 days.
Excellent. There are 7 days in 1 week. So what if we add 2 weeks? Do you know how many days we will get in 2 weeks?
Yes, 14.
14 days. Yes, I hope you guys got your answers right. So there are 14 days in 2 weeks. So let's review our last topic, which was find a pattern to solve. The Barber family wants to take the train into the city. The train leaves the station every half hour. They just missed the 11 o'clock train. What are the times for the next 3 trains? So first we need to understand. We need to underline what we know and we need to circle what we need to find. Now we know that they need to take a train and each train leaves the station every half hour. So we found that the pattern we need to follow is half hour. They just missed the 11 o'clock train. What are the times for the next 3 trains? So the pattern will be half hour starting at the next train will be at 11:30, the next one will be at 12, and the last one will be at 12:30. So these are the times for the next 3 trains. We're gonna go and watch this video together today, time to the quarter hour, and there is also a song which you can go and watch it by yourself after the video.
Minutes is a quarter of an hour.
Time to the nearest quarter hour. Max had a dentist appointment at 1 o'clock. He was a quarter of an hour late and did not arrive until a quarter past 1 o'clock, or 1:15. A quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. A quarter of an hour later, Max left the dentist office at 1:30 o'clock, or 1:30. Half past an hour is 30 minutes. Max arrived back home a quarter of an hour later at a quarter to 2 o'clock, or 1:45. Remember, a quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Max wants to play with his friends in a quarter of an hour. What time will it be? A quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Max just arrived home at 1:45. In 15 minutes it will be 2 o'clock. So Max wants to play with his friends at 2 o'clock. How many quarter hours have passed since Max went to the dentist? From 1 to 1:15 is 1 quarter hour. From 1:15 to 1:30 is 2 quarter hours. From 1:30 to 1:45 is 3/4 hours. And from 1:45 to 2 o'clock is 4/4 hours. So 4/4 hours, or 1 hour, have passed. It is now 2 o'clock.
Alright, so Maria, did you like the video?
Yes.
So let's see. Let's read this one. It says you can show time to the quarter hour. There are 15 minutes in a quarter hour. There are 4 quarter hours in an hour. Maria, could you help us read these times?
Yes.
Okay.
1 o'clock,
Yes, 1 o'clock.
1:15 or 1:15.
Great.
1:30 or 1:30.
Mm-hmm.
1:45 or 1:45.
That's a great job. Thank you so much. And always now here. Let's look at the analog clocks. We have the hour hand pointing at 1 and the minute hand at 12 to show 1 o'clock. Now, when the minute hand moves to the 1:15, it's going to be on number 3. On number 3. And notice the hour hand that it started to move. It is not on the 1 anymore. It had moved a little bit. Let's go for the next one. 1:30 or 1:30. The minute hand is standing on the, what is a minute hand? On the
6.
on the 6. And the hour hand is right between 1 and 2. So it's showing 1:30. 1:45. The minute hand is now on the number 9 to show 45 minutes. And the minute hand and the hour hand is now closer to the 2. Yeah, it's still in between 1 and 2. We have reached to the task options. We're gonna find 2 different tasks. You have to choose to complete task number 1 or task number 2. For task number 1, Maria, would you help us down? Would you help us up?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the time on the first clock? Oh, wait, Maria, wait. We have to give chance for them to work on their own.
Yes.
So, you have to open page 614. Try to do it on your own. And then continue with the video to check your answers. Okay, Maria, so hopefully now they have all done it by themselves. So let's see number 1. What time do you see? Alright, so number 1 we have, what is this time?
11:50.
15.
15.
Or 11:15. Number 2.
8:30 or
8:30. What about number 3?
6:45
Excellent.
or
6:45 or 6:45. Let's see task number 2. You have to solve page 615 in your math book volume 2. Again, pause the video, do it on your own, and then we'll check the answers together. Alright, so in number 4 we have, what's the time, Maria?
4:15.
Excellent, 4:15 or 4:15. Number 5 is 7:45 or 7:45. And number 6?
2:15.
Excellent, 2:15 or 2:15. Now here, we need to draw the hands on each clock. We need to first read, and then we have to find the time. Number 7 says 2:15. So till 2 means it hasn't reached 2 yet. Quarter till 2. It is still between 1 and 2. And quarter till means 45 minutes. Okay, so it is quarter till 2, which means 1:45. For number 8, quarter past 5. Do you know where will the minute hand go, Maria? Quarter
Yes.
past 5. On the
3.
Excellent. And past 5
In the between 6 and 5.
5 and 6. Excellent. Here 5.
6.
Excellent. And we will write it as 5:15. And the last one, quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. So we have to put the hour hand between 12 and 1, and the minute hand will be on the
3.
Excellent. It will be on the 3 because it's quarter past 12. And the time we're gonna write it as 12:15. Let's look at the last 3. Read the time, write the time on the digital clock. 12:45. So it's easy peasy, just 12 and 45 minutes. 4:14. So what is the hour?
4:15.
Sorry, I said 14. 15. And 9:30. The hour is
9:40.
30. The minute is 30. Great job. And as a closure, we need to match these clocks, the digital clock with the analog clock. Let's start. 2:15. This is 2:15. Which is the analog clock? This one, Maria?
No, the last one.
Okay, great. Is this one? Yes. 7:15 or quarter past
The
7.
first one.
Yes, great job. 12:45.
The third one.
Is it this one?
Yes.
It's 12. Look at the hour hand.
I didn't see it. Here.
Yes.
The second
You
one.
got confused with the minute hand, you guys. This is something normal. Always make sure that the hour hand is the short one. And 9:30.
And the third one.
Yes. Great job, you guys. You can also go online onto ixl.com if you have a laptop and play this game. Just click on the link under the description, or if you have the app on your iPad, just go on Time Words O'Clock Half Quarter and play the game. Thank you so much. Bye bye.